I've always been the quiet and shy kid, especially in school. Whenever I felt the need to sneeze or cough, I would hold it in because I didn't want to bring any attention to myself, and I guess it's just how I was raised as well. Not only that, but I was also perceived as the quiet kid by my classmates, so it was comfortable to stay in that box. Although now I often challenge myself to get out of that box. Obviously, it's scary, and sometimes you just have to take action and turn off your brain. Some of my friends now would have not been my friends today if I hadn't initiated the first hello. It's not easy, and the first few weeks of school with new classmates and plenty of icebreakers remind me I still have a lot to work on. I think what matters the most is to be kind to yourself and take things with a grain of salt, because we all have our awkward moments. And honestly, I don't think my social anxiety will ever go away. You just learn how to deal with it better.
And that included like
walked all the way to my car, and usually I love wearing heels, but today was a bad idea because I think the pumps, they're not as stable, and I didn't realize how long I was gonna walk, and now my feet are sore. It's only 2 p.m. and I am ready to go to bed. Usually on school days, I like to give myself leniency to relax, and usually I do homework the day after. I'm still getting used to my classes. My marketing class is heavily related on presenting and talking with others. So I'm still getting used to that. We had to introduce somebody we talked to last week. Oh my gosh, just waiting for my name to be called, I was shaking. And I know it's not that big of a deal, but for me, like presenting, it takes a lot for me to go up there. And I'm wearing a satin skirt, and for those who don't know, satin can sometimes be see-through. You can kind of see my shorts. So I just felt like just walking up there, people were like looking at my ass. Probably not, right? No, like I'm just probably overreacting, but that's what I was thinking. That's what I think about when I have to go up and present. But I went up there, introduced my classmate, and all was well. You get the shape, guys. I get the parfait, and then this strawberry. Oh, but they also have a matcha. Wow, that's good. Am I hungry or is it good?
Because every time I tell you something, you're like, oh,
We're gonna watch It Ends With Us. Never read the book, but she has. So I'm just here for the drama. Yeah, I'm kind of worried, but I think I'll be fine. As a book reader and as a movie lover, that was quite disappointing. Like, there was no... Yeah. They played the end credits and I'm like, oh, okay.